Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5019509. So if this update is not downloading or installing on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now to run update troubleshooter, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to system and now click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Now over here you will see Windows Update, click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. So make sure that troubleshoot is complete, then restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now go to the find Windows Update in the list. So scroll down at the end over here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Now make sure startup type is set to automatic. Now click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service and then make a double click, set it to automatic. Now click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected over here, now click on restart the service. Now after the restart, now update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, write down the name of the update. So the update is KB5019509. So write it down over here and then click on search. Now once you have this update, now this is the update, Windows 11 version 22H2 for x64 base system. Now click on download. Now over here you will see this blue hyperlink. Click on it and it will start downloading update. Now if when you click on it, if nothing happens, in that case you can make a right click and then click on save link. As you can set the location as desktop, you can save it to desktop and then click on save, and over here click on this up arrow, then click on keep. In my case it's downloading, so click on this blue hyperlink and then once the download is complete, run this file and update the update manually. So you can install this update manually from Windows Microsoft Update Catalog website and then restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer once you install it. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Again, it's the same website. Over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on yes to allow. In my case it's already running. So once you run it, you will see if there is any pending update. You will see accept any install option. Click on accept any install. Now if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, then in that case, now go to the download location and over here you will see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make a right click and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Select Windows 7 from the list and then click on apply. Click on OK. Now make a double click over here to launch Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Then click on accept and install. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Type in notepad in Windows search box and then open notepad on your computer. Now paste all the command over here. Now go to file, then click on save as. Now set the location as desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat and then click on for save as type. Select all files first and then click on save. Now go to desktop and then make a right click on this wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will open this command prompt. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. First of all, it will stop it, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. So the scan will take time because there are 2-3 scans which will run. Once the scan is complete, then it will restart all the Windows Update services. So let the scan complete first, and once the scan is complete, it will restart Windows Update services. Once the process is complete, now restart your computer, and after the system restart, update your Windows 11 once again. Next step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.